Starting off by losing a fight to a zip tie. Honestly, sometimes packaging is the hardest part of the entire build, but I finally got them loose. I'm getting the chips seated onto the breadboard now. The ESP32 is the brain, and the BioAmp is the sensor that's going to listen to my body. It's just three main wires to get the handshake going, one for the power, one for the ground, and one to carry the actual signal. Let's see if we can actually get a signal out of this thing. So the next thing to do was to test the chips and the electrodes by creating an EMG, which stands for electromyography, basically reading the muscle movement. So I hooked up the electrodes to my arm after a quick clean with alcohol wipes to make sure the signal was clear. I wrote a script in Arduino and compiled it, thinking it'd be a straightforward plug and play moment, but as soon as I hit upload, things started to get weird. I was clenching my fist over and over again, but the graph was just dead. So I started moving the electrodes around, swapping wires, and checking every single connection. I was staring at the board, generally thinking maybe the breadboard or the chips were faulty, and I'd wasted all that money on a pile of broken silicon. I was spiraling, trying to find the bug in the hardware or the software, but then it finally clicked.